The T300 Floor Scrubber provides health and safety benefits for your employees and visitors. The InstaClick head allows operators to quickly and ergonomically attach floor pads and Tennant True brushes. Tennant's T300 features sustainable technology and innovative engineering for easy operation and maintenance. It's also NFSI certified, no slippery residue left on the floor surface. The InstaClick head allows easier and safer pad and brush attachment. With a new charger, you can safely charge batteries with the machine closed. The all-new advanced squeegee design with integrated P-trap means improved water pickup and reduced risk of slip and fall accidents. Lifting batteries out of the machine is easier and safer with the optional battery lift-out tray. Battery venting and HydroLink minimize contact with battery acid and make battery maintenance faster, cleaner, and safer. Tennant, changing the way the world cleans.